इस बात को हटा दियो पेट्रोल नहीं मारे
ये तो
पता लगे सही में गाली पड़ रही है मेरे को
2000 years later.
We are back on this channel and today we are discussing about Bhaskar's past life, how he passed 10th and his experiences from 10th to this college, and he did his graduation in, it means diploma as well. So my name is Mohit Kumar Jindal and I am final year student at SEMI University and I belong to Mehwa, Dausa districts. So we are talking to Bhaskar Katara.
okay, right. So as you guys are always seeing me in the podcast, of course, and today anchor is like Mohit Jindal. Okay, he started this podcast, and I am like the contestant or candidate which are going to share with you guys our journey, how I started, how many family members in our family, and what categories I belong, we belong. So let's get started. So my name is Bhaskar Katara Mohit. I am from Bharatpur, Rajasthan, a final year computer science student at MES Jodhpur. We come from a middle class family. We have total 4 members in our family. I have a father, mother, and I have an elder brother and me myself. So how I started learning actually, I did my 10th class from Bharatpur Vivekanand school, where I secured 84 percentage, and that percentage was very good at that time. In as I belong from a small village, and so many people seems like 84 percentage is huge percentage, and some people at the time bring their children to me and got some advices like कि भास्कर इनको कुछ advice दे दे. So that was the time when, so after that I got the admission from in diploma college, and the mistake was कि I got admission in petroleum branch. ठीक है, it's either be a mistake or you can say it's a good part for my upcoming life. And
you can say okay, at that time petroleum is not good branch because there is less petroleum scopes of
and that
petroleum.
admission, when I got the admission in petroleum, it would great for me future journey. I will explain you how. So what the concern in our mind to getting admission in petroleum, because at that time refinery work is ongoing in Pachpadra and my grandfather is very concerned कि तुम admission ले लो हो जाएगा तुम्हारा उसमें. So the percentage was very good, so I got admission very easily in efficient way. So I doing my first year, and in first year you know कि the time was corona is like at peak.
So what are the process to get admission in a diploma?
Okay, so right, it was simply to fill the form in August month.
On which
or-
website or anything else?
as BTR website, Board of Technical Education, where you have to fill the form to get admission and some type of process. And after some days, you got a merit list where they have know you, let it know you ki you are either selected or which type of college you allotted.
In means that in BTR website you don't have to fill the college names.
Yeah, we have to fill some type of preference like 4 to 5. Okay, and after your percentage criteria cutoff marks, you allotted some type of college.
Yeah.
So I allotted Jodhpur college, and as I filled same, so in first of year of college, I explore not so much about the college, about the culture of that Jodhpur, because I was new at that time and I was very shy person at that time, and the
And you
corona,
never come outside the village at that time.
that's was the very major factor. The first time I came from my village, a small village, so I didn't know anything so much about the cities, big cities. So and actually the part is कि that time the corona was at peak, so I didn't explore many things. Okay, so after that the second year is come and I sometime explore some things, and third years I gave exam and I passed with 84 percentage as well.
And you got 7th rank in Rajasthan as well.
No, first rank in my diploma
Oh.
and 7th rank in my Rajasthan in leave admission,
Huh.
lateral entry position, when I get the admission into the MEM.
Okay.
And in this parallel journey, I know to get कि my eyes are not proper way to get the PSU. ठीक है, my journey was simple कि I have to crack GATE exam and then I have to do the job in ONGC, right? But the nature has different plan.
God has another waiting.
Another plan to fill me. So he our grandfather or my parents feel like कि यार अच्छी percentage है, you have to try with the MEM and try to get admission in CSE branch, as computer presence is everywhere, agriculture, education and everywhere, so you can get admission easily.
And MM college is also first rank in Rajasthan, so it
Yeah.
also motivates.
So at the time I did the same thing and fill the form, and during the process of filling form I learn C as my first step of every programmer. You know, Hello World is a very step program.
Yeah, basic program is Hello World.
Basic program, and then sometimes I got to know that I got admission in MEM, and we have to go to the college for the allotment process and document verification process.
How your first day in MBM college? How you are nervous and what you feel that I came from petroleum branch to CS branch? What's your nervousness? What is the you can say excitement and anxiety as well?
So basically, when I came to the MBM college, so that was not my first day because I came MBM college previously when I was in diploma to attend some type of events and workshops also. So talking about the first day when I was officially coming to the
NCS department.
NCSE department. So I was thinking at the time, कि यार these are the guys who cracked JEE exam. So these might be very intelligent from me. So how I cover up syllabus, how I cover up things. So these are the things which blooms in my mind every day, and I got depression day by day. And my families are motivating my continuously at the time. कि यार हो जाएगा.
Because at that time, as I am also there, we are come from first year, and in first year we learned C, and many others learned from his or her 12th class, like Python and
Yeah.
C++ as well. So yeah, it's very nervousness thing that in your surrounding everyone know about C++, and
everyone
Python
talking,
as well.
yeah, everyone talking about in the language of programming. So
Yeah.
it might be dangerous for me at the time. कि यार
What is C?
What C? And first I was met with Bharat Jangir and some other guys, and he be like yeah DSA करना पड़ेगा. But
And at that time he don't know about DSA. What is DSA?
so I got admission in directly third semester, as you know. Whenever you get admission in lateral entry while later leave process, then you came in directly second year.
Third sem means.
Third sem means. So I cover up the things. ठीक है. I was reside in Bhagat Ki Koti. ठीक है. As I previously reside when I doing diploma. So
Yeah.
the things are very critical for me, as well as every diploma holder can relate the way I am relating right now. And the thing is going worst, and after that I cover up the second thing which is interesting for me for the friend circle. I made a good friend circle around me which helps me to grow up, to motivate me to the different ways.
Yeah, every friend circle is very very important, as you know, because your environments always matters, and if your friend circle is good, then you will always be good. As you have the friend circle, they motivates you, they encourage you that हो जाएगा अपन से. So it also helps you very well.
And guys, if you don't know ki what are the members and how many members in our group, so I will tell you ki there are 5 members in our
Officially
group.
5 members.
Obviously 5 members. First one, second, third one is Sohan, fourth one is Sachin, and fifth one is Vandana.
And at this time, 2 new members are joined our group as well.
Vishal and Akas.
Vikash
obviously.
and Asa.
And that those guys are very interesting and very helpful and to grow your careers. So that's the way I am coming from. Completed 4th sem, 5th sem, 6th sem, and I am currently at 7th sem. I got not placement. ठीक है.
But in third sem, you are very depressed, and you think that I have to learn more and more, and you are spend your 6 to 7 hours
Bro, my
in study as well.
my hair black turn out black to white. You know, I am thinking a lot. And I read a book in 6th sem, Think Straight, name of Think Straight, where he blew my mind. He changed my completely mind, how I thought. He how to get rid of negative thoughts. Why? Because we cannot stop thinking. Okay, but we can we can give direction to your thoughts. You know.
What is the when you get most depressed in the third year, fourth year, yeah, second year?
When I get most depressed.
Yeah.
The face was totally depressed when I get the admission because.
But at that time, like in your practicals, in your exam, yeah, any
Yeah.
other day you get very depressed.
Everything is new for me at the time, and the thing which is coming, that time is doing better, depressed and depressed for me. Either it was practical, it was midterm, it was semester exam, it was something, anything.
And at that time, there is a one misconception as well that there is a teacher and who takes very seriously practicals, and that also terrible for us.
Yeah, but as we grow in CSE department,
We know the nature of that
We know
teacher,
the nature.
that he's not too much.
But this is not the right place to explore or to share some private thing about the CSE department.
Yeah.
But we will we are saying
But,
this department is very good.
Yeah, our teachers are very helpful.
Very
If
helpful.
we go to the teacher and we say that there is a problem, and how they also motivate us that you
Yes.
can do this. If at this time also we are going there and we say that sir, we don't have placement and what should we do to write the depression. So they suggest us that improve yourself or try
And,
for other as well. So our teachers are very helpful in our CS
And
department
they
and our
don't-
whole college also.
and they don't force to like more to give their practical assignment in time and something.
Yeah.
All other departments compared to all other departments, it's like totally focused to your skills development, DSA development, and other communication skills, and in right manner.
In that way, if you say that, sir, I have drive on that day, I can't submit my assignment on that day, so they delay that you can submit your assignment after 2 days,
Yeah.
3 days, but your placement is very.
Yeah, they compromise
First.
accordingly because
Yeah.
the replacement is very important, not the फालतू के assignment or
But
practical.
you also know that MBM college, in MBM college, CSIT is very, very important because among past years, as I see the records, most of the students get selected. It means 41, 30 plus students are get selected in a placement. So it also matters. So our teachers are very helpful.
And guys, if you don't know about our alumni in MBM, MBM alumni are very powerful. You know, every department
And they are
has
also
one
supported.
alumni in, like, it's either be a government department, railway department, Ashwini Vaishnav. If you might heard, obviously you heard sometimes the
He's a railway minister of
Railway
our.
Minister of India, and he passed out from MBM. You know,
Or in recently, as to yesterday, ESE results also come, and 2 of our alumni are get selected in ESE.
and they secured very good rank, 2-digit
61 rank and 6 rank.
6 rank. So
Yeah.
you know how powerful MBM. You know.
One more thing I would like to
And-
hear from you that how clubs matters. In our college there are many clubs. So
Yeah.
if you join anyone, then how they play an important role in your
Yeah,
life.
clubs, of course, clubs and society plays a very important role, primary role to build your personal development, building networking in your society, in your college, in your like outer of the college, because you meet some other guys with other guys thinking power, how we think, how we plan the things, how we generate ideas, and like as I had been a part of the GDSC club, Gold Development Student Club, where we organize different plans, events, hackathons, we collaborate. So like clubs and society are very important to grow yourself, obviously, to boost
Like,
your communication. etc.
First of all, like organizing a thing. That's also he learned from there. Public speaking,
Yeah.
because by organizing a workshop, they are in front of you, like 50 plus students are there and speak in front of them. He learned from there. And third one thing, to collaborate to others members,
As Mohit,
team management.
I was very shy as a diploma. I am not able to speak in English as I belong from English medium school, but I cannot do conversation in English. But right now I am confidently saying whatever I am saying, whatever the words are generating from my mouth, tongue, but I am saying proudly.
You can say that in a diploma, if there are 5 members, he is blank. Then what I should say.
Yeah.
But at this time, if there are 50 people as well, but he can speak. That whatever he wants to say, he can speak.
Because small efforts always matter. Whatever you are doing in your life, like what stage at your life, if you are doing some little bit from yesterday, okay, always compare yourself what you are studying, okay. Doesn't compare to the someone's
Others.
middle journey, okay. Your journey yours and their journey was there, okay, was there. So always compare yourself what you do yesterday, what I am doing currently. So this does matter, of course.
Or you can see that our communication is better than yesterday and better than previous day. So it's get better day by day,
Yeah,
day by
of
day
course.
as we are converging. Thank
So
you.
this is for this video, and I hope you are enjoying this podcast, and we are also enjoying this podcast to doing
Sharing our journey to you, that how we come from a middle family and how our journeys goes in diploma. And he talks about his journey in MBM college, how he come from a different branch to different branch. It's always matter that he come from a petroleum branch. There is no sense of programming language,
Yeah.
and there
it was
all
completely,
about
it was completely theory part, and whatever I am doing, it is completely practical
the
part.
logical part. It means
Logical
there is
part.
very, very logical part that you are doing any code, writing a code, then you have to think a little bit and use your brain power, how you think, and that is very matter. Because in petroleum, I think, I don't know about petroleum branch, but I think there is not too much power of brain. There is like if you have any process.
Petroleum guys are seeing this video and be like, Mohit, तुझे तो बताता हूँ मैं एकदम. ठीक है,
Sorry
तो
for
guys,
guys, I don't know.
this is for this video. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you guys.